don't call it milk if it comes from soybeans, almonds, or rice. The dairy industry and a group of lawmakers want the FDA to keep plant-based products from being sold as milk.
The increase in these types of products has cut into the dairy industry, and Dave Delozier joining us with an issue very important to Wisconsin. Dave?
Yeah, Mark, important as in dairy represents $43 billion, and yes, that's billion with a B, dollars to Wisconsin's economy. Milk has been losing market share in recent years to a variety of different beverages. The problem the dairy industry has is with products being sold as milk that just don't meet the definition.
Dairy farmers want something to happen here.
By the very definition used by the FDA, this is where milk comes from, cows. The problem the dairy industry has is seeing something called milk that comes from plants.
Other products are trying to trade on dairy's good name.
Patrick Gagan is with the Wisconsin Milk Marketing Board, and the numbers tell a story. Nationally, dairy consumption is down 11% in 2016, while plant-based products like soy and almond milk have generated $1.4 billion in sales.
Beverage category is much more competitive today than it's ever been before. There are many, many, many more products to choose from, and so I think that some of these plant-based beverages have certainly taken market share away from fluid milk.
A bipartisan group of congressmen have sent a letter asking the FDA to stop plant-based products from being marketed as milk.
What the congressional delegation is essentially asking is for the FDA to simply enforce their own rules.
Gagan says their problem is not with the soy and almond industry. It is about what they say is calling a product something that it is not.
A lot of dairy farmers are growing some of these products, so it's not an issue with those industries. It's just simply what you decide to call a product. And there are rules in place at the FDA, and they're just asking that those rules be enforced.
Now, an analogy Patrick Gagan gives is if you tried to sell mozzarella cheese as cheddar simply because it was more popular. Now, they have no problem with plant-based products being sold. They just don't want consumers to view them as milk. And for their part, the Soy Foods Association says their product is equal in terms of the ability to support growth and development. And Eric and Mark, this has been an issue for a number of years now. The question is whether the FDA will take any action.
Yeah, interesting and important, important here in Wisconsin's dairyland.
Absolutely.
Dave Delozier in the News Center. Thank you.